Hi guys, in today's video we will try to test the maximum power rating of a resistor. Here we have a 120 ohm quarter watt resistor. I will take one resistor out of it and you can see the color coding is brown, red, brown and golden. So the fourth color is golden color. And now we will try to calculate its value. Let us calculate. Brown stands for 1, red stands for 2 and the third color stands for 1, that is number of zeros. So 1 means 10 ohm, so it's 120 ohm. Now the fourth color is golden, so it's 5% tolerance, so it's 5%. So here we got 120 ohm from the color coding, which is the resistance value. Now we will try to understand what is the meaning of maximum power rating. Maximum power rating means that this resistor can dissipate 250 milliwatt of power without damaging itself. But the question is why it will damage itself. The answer is when current will flow through it, heat dissipation will occur and that heat will be generated. So that heat will raise its temperature, and when the temperature will raise abnormally, this resistor will get damaged. Now let us do some calculation. Let us create a table with applied voltage versus power dissipation in the resistor. So here we have the Pmax. This resistor is going to generate 253 milliwatt of power for 46 milliamps of current and for applied voltage of 5.5 volt. So when we apply a voltage of 5.5 volt, 46 milliamps of current will flow in this resistor and it will generate 253 milliwatt of power. So let us see with an experiment. So here we have the setup. We have a power supply. This is the power supply we are going to use for this experiment, and we are going to connect this resistor across it. Here we have connection ready. Now we are going to increase the voltage. So from the theory, at 1 volt it should dissipate 8 milliwatt of power. From the table you can see. So now we will increase the voltage to 1 volt and you can see it is going to generate 8 milliwatt of power, close to 8 milliwatt. So the current reading is not accurate in this converter, so sorry for that. This converter is not displaying accurate current, and the power dissipation you are not going to see in any multimeter in any reading. We will just confirm by touching this resistor from our bare hand how much it is heating. So we'll try to increase the voltage and see when it is heating. So for 1 volt it is not heating much. I think I'm not able to sense any raise in temperature. For 2 volt it is dissipating 34 milliwatt of power and still no heat. It's not temperature is not raised much. So now it is 3 volt. At 3 volt it is dissipating 75 milliwatt of power and still I'm not able to sense any raise in temperature. At 4 volt, 4.5 volt something, okay. At 5 volt, temperature is quite normal. I think it is at room temperature or might be within some 5 degree range. Now 5.5 volt, it is generating some heat. Yeah, I'm able to sense the temperature. That means it is 35 degree. So currently this resistor is operating at its maximum rated power, which is 250 milliwatt. Now we'll try to increase the power dissipation and see what is happening. So we'll try to increase this voltage to 6 volt and we'll see what is happening. Is it heating? Yeah, it was already heating. Now it is kind of unbearable. I'm not able to bear the temperature of it. So maybe it is went beyond somewhere 70 degrees Celsius or 80 degree. Make it some 12 volt. At 12 volt you can see the I think the color is not changing, but okay. Yeah, it's too much heat. So I will further increase this temperature. Now you can see this temperature currently is more than 100 degree for sure. It's somewhere maybe 200 or something, and I'm feeling some smell, and its color is changing from white to some other color. And I will zoom a bit and I can show you better. And now you can see this register is kind of giving some smell, and it is little burning. I'm not able to hold it for even for 100 millisecond. Now we'll increase voltage and we'll see what is happening. I will increase the voltage from 12 to 15. So currently the 15 volt is applied across this register, and you can see the color is changing. The color of this register is the material outside is changing. You can see. Now you can little see the smoke coming out. I am able to see the smoke coming out of it, and you should be also able to see. Maybe I will remove the background so that you can see it very clearly. You can see the smoke coming out from this register, and it is turning black. I will increase the voltage to 20 volt, and you can see a huge smoke coming out of this register. So this register got damaged. So this is what happens if you increase the power dissipation in a resistor more than its rated power. The conclusion part is, you should never operate a resistor beyond its maximum rated power. This resistor must be operated within this range, which is safe range. If you operate this resistor in this range, sooner or later this resistor is going to die, and it is going to look like this finally. In this zone you have to be very careful. It will fail. When it will fail, we don't know. Never operate this resistor in this range, otherwise it is going to be damaged. Thank you.